Water is supposed to put out fire, but at a home in Fort Lupton, the water can catch fire. Natural gas is seeping into a nearby well.
And the tainted water is now pouring through the faucets of a home near the intersection of Weld County Roads 20 and 41. CBS 4's Sean Boyd talked to homeowners worried about a possible explosion.
Jesse and Amy Ellsworth have so much natural gas in their water that they can literally light it on fire, as you're about to see. The gas has been leaking into their water well from a nearby natural gas well for the last 6 months, creating a danger that the couple became acutely aware of 2 weeks ago when a grass fire broke out near their home. And they turned on their garden hose, only to realize that this would be nothing more than a blowtorch. There's something in the water at the Ellsworth home.
You can't see it, you can't taste it, you can't smell it.
But you can light it on fire.
We have natural gas in our water.
Amy Ellsworth says they first realized the danger last September. Their water pressure just wasn't right.
I mean, it just crashed and it made these noises, and I thought, that's not normal.
The Colorado Oil and Gas Commission determined the leak was likely coming from a nearby well, but there are 8 just within a half-mile of the home.
We've looked at well completion reports. We've taken samples, gas samples from the other wells to try to look for a match. We've done pressure testing, and we've not been able to find the well that is causing, that appears to be causing the problem here.
It's been 6 months. Does that concern you?
It concerns me very much.
In fact, Amy Ellsworth went to Noble Energy and Anadarko, who operate the wells, and asked for help.
And I was crying. I was in tears. And I said, can you please, I said, I am practically begging you, can you please help us?
And they said no.
And they said that it was against their policy.
A policy the companies have apparently changed, agreeing to put in a water treatment system here. But still, the leak remains.
We need to have something done for us, but we need to find out how far-reaching this is. We need to have our neighbors tested.
For now, the Ellsworths are using bottled water for both themselves and their pets. Amy Ellsworth says she has developed chronic health problems and is having tests run to see if they're linked to the natural gas. Meantime, the Colorado Oil and Gas Commission is going to continue to run tests to determine the origin of the leak. In Fort Lupton, Sean Boyd, CBS 4 News.
Surprisingly, this is not unheard of. The Oil and Gas Commission has seen this problem a couple dozen times in the past decade. In one case in Huerfano County, 11 homes had natural gas in the water.